Do not touch the IDG system components for a short time after the engine is shut down. The engine components stay hot for some time and can cause injury. If the oil is below the minimum level, the green band, add oil to the IDG. Now, prepare the IDG for servicing. Remove the caps from the overflow drain and pressure fill valves. First, connect a drain hose to the overflow drain valve. Then connect the pressure fill hose from a service unit to the pressure fill valve. Using the service unit, add oil until the level reaches the full mark and the oil overflows through the drain hose. Drain oil until the oil level moves down to the green band. Remove the drain and pressure fill hoses from connectors and reinstall the caps. Finally, perform a leak test. Do another check of the oil level 5 minutes later.